Hi folks, Tristan from SEO Stealth Analyzer here again. What I'm going to do in this video is give you a brief overview of these site stats and then where you can look to go fix those things or what they actually mean. So I'm just going to click Analyze Page. So we've come back with a word count of 948. Really you're after a minimum word count of about 400 on a page. So we're over that, so it's green. The page now has one H1 tag on it. It has 7 H2 tags. So a page should only have one H1 tag. It's like the title of your page or it's like the title of a document basically. And your H2 headings are subheadings basically. So we've got 7 of those, which is great. If we didn't have either of those, then that'd be red, or if we had too many H1 tags, they'd be coming up red as well. This page currently has 89 URLs. You don't really want to push the 100 mark, so we're under 100, so that's coming up green, and you want a minimum of 4 to 5. So as long as you've got a minimum of 4 to 5 and you're under 100, it's going to be coming up green, otherwise it'll be coming up red. If they're white, it means that we currently don't have any metrics or algorithms to track and analyze that information and break it down. So this page has 2 images on it. And then if we come down a little bit further, images missing alt tags. So the alt tags on images tell search engines what they are. So we've got one image which is missing an alt tag. We've got one word in the title that's missing on the page. One keyword. 4 keyword phrases and 3 words missing from the description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over here to the tab which says missing metadata. So we're going to click on that. So this basically tells me what words I'm missing from the page. And if we look up here now, because I did a save result snapshot earlier, now it's telling me when I've adjusted these, the title to content is 96%, so it's down. Keyword to content is a 96%. Phrase to content 73%, so I'm up from the previous value. Description to content 88%, so I'm up from the previous. And 88.25 is the overall rating, which is up. So if I look here, so missing title words, such, missing keyword words, beginners, keyword phrases, they're missing from the page, and missing description words, leading provider types. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to fix those bits up, and then we're going to come back and do another snapshot and analyze the page and see where we're up to. Before I do that though, I'm just going to click Save Result Snapshot. And then I'll be back with video 2 with it fixed up. Alrighty, here we are folks. So I've gone through, spent some time, a little bit of time fixing up the content and some of the meta information on the home page there. I've clicked Analyze Page and you can see we've got 100% across the board, and it now says up next to each of these. So in the site stats, general information, if we scroll down, now we can see missing title, missing keyword, missing this keyword phrase, and description is all 0, and now they're all green, which is exactly what you want to see. And if we come over into missing metadata, you can see they're all empty, which is exactly what we want. So if we click Save Result Snapshot on that, and then we look at the history graph, So you can see by looking at this graph over a period of time how we've worked on the on-page SEO for the title, the keyword phrase description, and the overall rating, and how we've improved those. So for instance, with the keyword phrase, we started off at 80%, we dropped down a little bit, and then we got it back up to 100%, which is where you want it. So that's the how the overall results work, the result snapshot, the history, which lets you view the result snapshot. Oh, and by the way, with the history graphs, you can right click and say. So that's a little bit about the overall results, the missing metadata, and the site stats. I hope that explains how it works. You folks get your on-page SEO right. Until the next video, talk to you soon.